In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a settings icon in Adobe Illustrator. To get started, you'll want to open Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Once you have it up and running, find and select the rectangle tool from the toolbar on the left. This tool will be your go-to for drawing basic geometric shapes, which will transform into our icon. With the rectangle tool selected, draw a vertical post. This will serve as the foundation for the cog-like edges of your settings icon. Now, a helpful tip here is to make sure your post is centered in your workspace, as alignment will be crucial later on. Next, you'll need to press and hold the Alt key, and then click in the center of your vertical post. This allows you to create a copy of the shape and start rotating it to form the familiar cog pattern. As you hold down both the Alt and Shift keys, begin rotating the shape. Holding Shift ensures your copies are rotated at consistent angles, helping to maintain a uniform design. Repeat this rotation and duplication process several times, aiming to create a complete and symmetrical cog edge pattern. Your goal is to space the posts evenly around what will be the center of your settings icon. Once you're satisfied with the cog edges, switch to the ellipse tool. We're going to draw a circle right in the middle of your rectangle shapes. This circle will bridge the gap between the individual rectangle shapes and unify your design. Highlight all of the shapes you've created by clicking and dragging over them with your mouse. With them all selected, navigate to the Pathfinder panel, which is usually on the right side of Illustrator. Here, choose the Merge option to combine these shapes into one cohesive design element. This not only simplifies your design, but also ensures it functions as a single shape. Now, click on the Direct Selection tool, which lets you manipulate specific points of an object. Use this tool to curve the edges of your new shape into a more traditional cogwheel appearance. This step is crucial for achieving an authentic settings icon look. Next, return to the Ellipse tool and draw another circle in the center of your icon. Ensure this is smaller and fits well within the inner boundaries of your cog design. Select both the newly drawn circle and the cog shape, then switch to the Shape Builder tool. Finally, hold down the Alt key as you click the center area that the inner circle covers. This action will subtract the circle from the cog, leaving you with a settings icon that features the classic hollow center often seen in these designs. And there you have it. Your own custom-made settings icon in Adobe Illustrator. Perfect for enhancing digital projects and designs.